Hey guys, welcome to Cookin' with Becky. We're gonna give you a rundown of everything inside and out on Kooks headers and exhaust. Hello. Sorry, I didn't give you a courtesy call, but we're coming down here.
All right, welcome.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cookin' with Becky. This is the last part of our video series here with the life cycle of your product. So the last step is for our product to be transferred over here to our warehouse where we get things packed up and shipped out. So the last step in the process after everything is QC'd and comes down here to the warehouse by truck is our warehouse team packs it up. So they tend to go in order of all lefts, all rights. All of the boxes are actually packaged up by those sides. They prep all of the packing paper so that everything gets to you safely. Down here, they also pack up all the kits. So the install kits that are crucial for getting our parts onto your vehicle are all packed down here at our warehouse as well. So this is where we house all of our installation kits. So right now on the shelf, we've got a bunch of C5, C7, some 3-valve Mustang, some Track Hawk. We got a handful of Coyote kits left. Those are flying off the shelves right now. But these are some of the last minute additions to make sure that you get everything that you need to install your Kooks parts. In this station, you will find all of our stage 8 bolt kits. So these are our locking pieces of hardware that are going to get your header in place and keep it in place, as well as the ball and socket bolt kits. And then a little further back over here, we have all of our O2 extensions. There are a ton. They are application specific. So we have everything from G8, Camaro, Corvette, Mustang, Raptor, CTSV, Jeep stuff. So all of our O2 extensions live in here. So one of the last parts that is absolutely necessary and required for installation are our Kooks clamps. We have more than enough to go around. If you're ever in need, give us a call. We've always got hardware on the shelf. So you get a clamp, you get a clamp, you get a clamp. Everybody gets clamps. Well, thank you all for joining me on our first segment of Cookin' with Becky to learn all about our products, how they're made, how they're boxed, how they're shipped. We are trying to figure out what our next series is going to be. So drop us a comment, shoot us a DM, let us know what you guys would love to see from us here at the Kooks crew. We're thinking about maybe doing a collaboration with Tyler and Becky. Are we going to be cooking with Tyler? Is it going to be Becky's tips? I don't know. But stay tuned to find out.